Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Buick. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Buick is a steal with less than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and OnStar.